Alright, what's good, y'all? We are going to check out this Connor Quest. Finally, my guy. You were slumped, dead, for more than a month. Let's look at this, bro. This man went on hiatus for a month and a week. A month and a week this man was on a hiatus, bro. What are you doing? You gained like 10k subscribers in that time, too. Or like at least 4k, I think. Or 5k. Anyway, bruh. Don't do that again, Connor Quest, please. we need music from you. But we got him with Tyler Clark, who, just so y'all know, is the producer of this. He's not a feature. He's the producer on this. And so we should get some really interesting instrumentation and movement in the beat. Let's go. Also, the video looked quite cool from the little that I saw. Okay. Okay, this is a Heat video. Who made this video, bro? Skeep Teal made it. That's cool. I like that. Also, I wish he'd made... Okay, so he labeled it below their names. That's... okay. Fair enough, fair enough.
Germophobic, but I seem to have some filthy habits. Need to cleanse them all along with this whole sickened planet. Like a rat,
that chorus was cool,
filled with risen panic. One command, that's how my dogs to sick the rabbits. So like dirty works, we hunt down partners, confirm the sell, then hustle that bargain. Wait for the mark, then lunge in that darkness. That's how you run the underground market. Heard in whispers and numerous rumors. You ain't got the balls because you've been neutered. It's spread because you're gonna do this sooner. I'll be the one to remove this tumor.
A lot is happening. So much is happening. This is too much for me to take in at once. First off, we had the little intro singing, which was cool. And in the video, it's like the stuff that Contrast and Dizzy did, or have done and are doing, but it's different at the same time. And that like short portion of the verse where he's just rapping was cool as well. That singing bit there, it felt very creepy and like it fit the vibe of what I would expect from this kind of song, which that doesn't necessarily need to be a big part of it, but it felt like it fit this kind of horror-y, spooky rock vibe. Nerve displacement, the crust of earth is shaking. Can't rush the operation, but you can discern the patient. Circulation like your costume tight, like a better pay the pipe before this pesticide. I'll rid the world of burning in the streets. What a rotten thing, purging what I see. There is nothing but a plague in the city and the dog. A lot is happening with the beat, a lot. Especially in the chorus bit here. That verse was like split into 3 parts, and that verse was cool. I think the first part was the weakest, but the singing and then the second little bit there that was very short were both quite good. The singing was definitely the best part, as it was very fun and interesting. But let's see who mixes as well. It just says production Tyler Clark. I assume Tyler Clark mixes as well, though it might have been Connor. It sounds a little weird in the mixing, especially like it just sounds a little... I need to listen. It sounds a bit dry. Like I want there to be something more with the vocals. It sounds very flat, not as in terms of pitch, but in terms of like, I don't even know how to describe it. Production wise, I don't know too much about that stuff. It needs more reverb, basically.
Yeah, I think the mixing is what's annoying me the most right now, but what Connor's actually doing on it vocally is really impressive. It's very cool. This chorus is really nice and cool. At least I see with the chorus. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, that was cool. The like bit of grit in his voice there too, like his vocal cords were like pulling, was really cool. We're building up, okay. Okay, so this is the chorus. That was part of the verse. Okay, bruh, I'm just all wrong.
Scoundrel with a scalpel, I pierce and split the cartilage. Unethical with treatment, this a medicine you can't resist. Darkest pit, and I'm quick to harm a kid. Yeah,
that's a very short
PhD.
chorus. Oh, okay. That's a very short chorus, which is why it was kind of throwing me off a little bit because I expected it to be a longer chorus. But yeah. Let's get into this little flippy.
I'm a kid, yeah, I have a PhD. I'm a pre-heartless dick. Trapped in the yankers and bass, come back away and had your base and plastic made. Acting like an American god, don't be surprised when you cut the string. Rats are caging, back contagion, vaccination.
Okay.
Lethal weapon, teaching lessons when I call this cure.
The flow there was nice. I love this part of the song. This is amazing. Yeah. I gotta hear it completely.
Nerve displacement, the crust of earth is shaking. Can't rush the operation, but you
so this is part of the chorus. Wow, okay. This is really interesting.
Like your costume tight, like a better pay the pipe before this pesticide. I'll rid the world of murder in the streets. It's the foulest thing. Germs will get the bleak, wash them down the stank of plague in the city and the dog.
Yeah, the beat there is really cool.
Giving you a shot, no it won't be pain. That's rupture your vitals. The steel is dangerous. Plagues in the city and
that like rattle in the beat is cool. Got the long end card. Rustage type beat. That, I think my only issue was the mixing and the amount of reverb on it felt really dry. And it didn't feel like there was movement in the amount of reverb. But besides that, and this is a problem I've had with other Tyler Clark things, it may be how much he's moving the... what am I looking for? It's not the volume. It's how much the different instruments hit. I may feel like there's not enough movement in that. I'm not really sure. If anyone knows a lot about this and is watching, comment down below and try to help me out and figure out why I'm thinking this, because it seems like it's the reverb or like the movement between instruments feels a little flat. Because it felt like the performance was great. I loved what Connor did on that. Really impressed by just all the choices he made in songwriting and everything like that. Was really cool. But it felt kind of like there was something that was stagnant about not his vocals, but something behind that. And yeah. I'm confusing myself at this point, but let's say something down below. What are we going to comment? Really enjoyed this track. Happy to finally see you back at it. Alright, yeah. We're going to comment this down below, and make sure if you like this reaction, or even not, to run over to Connor's channel and make sure to run it up for him. There is a link below. Make sure to go there, like it for him, subscribe, watch it to the end, comment down below so we can blow this track up for him when he's coming back. And if you like this, make sure to as well
like and comment everything down below, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.